Hey there, it's Julia here from violinspiration.com, and I'm so happy you are joining me today, because today I want to share something which is a little bit unusual for me, at least. Like normally I share violin tutorials and violin lessons, but today I want to share with you something different, and that is how I am practicing something. I wanted to make this video to show no matter which level you are, you always keep practicing when you're playing the violin, and you always feel like you're a beginner, which is kind of funny. I always feel like I'm just starting out, even though I've been playing for 15 years. And I'm going to work on a piece, the Mendelsohn Violin Concerto, which many of you know. Higher. Lower. I'm going to use the mute, so it's a little bit less annoying for my boyfriend. So I think that was my practice session for now, because in a few minutes my friends are visiting. So I hope this video was helpful to you in any way, and I think you can definitely apply these practice principles to your practice too. Like no matter what level you are, it always makes sense to take small parts out that are hardest and only practice those. Practice with a metronome for speed, practice practice double stops and just taking one double stop at a time and really making sure that one is in tune. So I hope you are going to apply some of these principles too. And if you have any practice advice for me, also be sure to write it in the comments. Also, of course, be sure if you are ever practicing a piece, it always makes sense to practice the scale that belongs to the piece beforehand. So for instance, if you're playing a piece in G major, make sure to practice the scale of G major before you practice the song, and that will definitely help you to play the song more in tune. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If so, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you want to join us next week for our next violin tutorial. See you, goodbye!